Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be speaking to you a little bit about cloud computing and how some of the applications and sort of how we see it featured in our world today. Now, think with me for a second in sort of real world terms. Every time you watch Netflix, send an email, or even open a Google Docs, you're using the cloud. But what exactly is cloud computing? So in this presentation, I will be breaking it down simply and clearly so that you can understand. Now, at its core, cloud computing means using computing resources like storage, servers, or software over the internet. Instead of running everything on your laptop or buying expensive machines, you rent the power from companies like Amazon, Google, or Microsoft. Think of it like an electricity grid. You don't buy your own power plant at home. You just plug into the grid itself and get instant access. The cloud is the same. Think of it as a giant computing grid you can tap into at any time. Now, behind the scenes, cloud computing runs on massive data centers filled with thousands of servers spread across the world. That's what makes it fast and reliable. The cloud lets you do three main things: store your files online, run heavy programs without crashing your laptop, and use apps directly through the internet. Google Drive, Zoom, and even Google Colab are all examples of this in action. Now, cloud services usually come in three main types. Firstly, there's infrastructure as a service, where you basically rent raw computing power. Amazon Web Services is the biggest example of this. Then there's platform as a service, which gives developers a ready-made environment to build and run applications without worrying about the servers, like Google App Engine. And finally, there's software as a service, which is what most of us use every day with apps like Netflix, Gmail, and Canva that you just basically can open in your browser and start using. Now, not all clouds are the same. There are different deployment models. A public cloud is shared and available to anyone over the internet, like think of Google Drive. A private cloud is reserved for one organization, like a bank or government, that needs more control and privacy. And a hybrid cloud is a mix of both, offering flexibility while keeping sensitive data secure. So, why is the cloud such a big deal? It's flexible because you can access it anywhere with internet. It's cost efficient since you only pay for what you use. And it's scalable, meaning businesses can grow from 10 users to 10 million without buying new machines. And it's reliable because if one server fails, another one takes over instantly. You're already using the cloud every day. Netflix and YouTube stream videos from cloud servers. Spotify delivers music the same way, and Zoom runs its video calls in the cloud. And your smartphone photos are synced there too. Now, looking ahead, the cloud is only getting bigger. It's powering artificial intelligence and machine learning, where huge models need massive computing power to train. It's also moving into edge computing, where servers are brought closer to you for faster speed and lower delays. And in healthcare, finance, and education, the cloud is opening up new ways to store, analyze, and share data securely. So, cloud computing isn't just a tech buzzword. It's the invisible engine behind the apps, videos, and services you use every day. And it's shaping the future of AI, business, and even healthcare. If you learned something new in the comments, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tech topic should I simplify next.